Would you like to learn how to make a delicious, mouth-watering spatchcock barbecue chicken? Just, oh my God, why do you cry? You know your food fitting to be real good when the chef can have fun in the kitchen all by her dang self. But please pray for that child. Now let me show you how to make a super yummy barbecue spatchcock chicken.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you'll need for this barbecue spatchcock chicken recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Let's get started by getting rid of this chicken butt, because I don't want no chicken booty cooties, okay? To spatchcock a chicken, you're going to need some sharp kitchen shears, or you can use a very sharp knife, but the scissors make it easier. I'm just gonna find big body Brenda's here backbone and cut up from the bottom up to the top of the neck alongside the backbone, and then do the same thing to the other side. Spatchcocking started in Ireland years ago. It's an abbreviation for dispatch the cock. Sounds like a revenge tactic I should have tried on my ex-husband. You can use that backbone to make some gravy or some soup. One reason I like to spatchcock my chicken is because it allows you to get up on the inside and clean it real thoroughly. I clean Big Body Brenda inside and out with some lemon juice. Now I'm gonna crack the backbone so that it'll lay flat. Now let's make a yummy seasoning paste. I'm going in with some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, and some garlic and herb seasoning, as well as 1 packet of Sazon, and some Italian seasoning as well, and some cracked black pepper. Now I'm adding in some better than bouillon chicken base, as well as some olive oil. Give it a good mix, and it'll look something like this. Now that I cracked her back, we have easy access to the inside so we can get it all seasoned up real good, which is another reason I like to spatchcock chicken. Once we've gotten the seasoning all over the inside, we're gonna flip her over and do the same thing to the other side. Another reason I like to spatchcock chicken is because a flat chicken takes less time to cook, which means the breast meat doesn't get overcooked while it waits for the thigh and the leg meat to cook. Cause you know, don't nobody like no dry breast, child. It's best to let the chicken marinate overnight, but if not, it'll be alright. Now I'm gonna put some lemon, onion, fresh garlic, and some bell peppers in a pan, just making a nice bed of aromatics for the chicken to lay on. Pour on the rest of that leftover seasoning, and you might want to add a 1/2 cup of water just to make sure it doesn't burn. Oops, I almost forgot. Put you some rosemary at the bottom as well. Preheat the oven to 375. Ovens vary, but depending on the size of your chicken, it should take about 20 minutes per pound to cook. Put the chicken in the oven with the legs facing the back of the oven because it's hotter back there. That'll give the breast an even less chance of drying out. But halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to make a nice butter sauce, so she'll be even more flavorful and moist. I'm just gonna add a stick of butter to the pan and baste her, and then pop her back in for the remaining cooking time. She was 5 pounds and it took about 90 minutes to cook. But you'll know it's surely done when the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Next, I'm gonna add some of my favorite barbecue sauce to her, which happens to be that Honey Sweet Baby Ray's. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna pop the chicken back in the oven for like 5 minutes just to let the sauce tack up. And after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. This barbecue spatchcock chicken came out so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Subscribe. So good. Make sure you like and subscribe. And you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.